Seed oils or animal fats, which is really healthier for cooking? Some say seed oils are toxic, while others warn that animal fats clog arteries. Let's break down the science. Critics call seed oils the hateful eight, blaming them for inflammation, heart disease, and weight gain. But are they really that bad? Let's dig deeper. Most seed oils go through refining and solvent extraction. But, does that make them unhealthy? Some are cold-pressed, keeping more nutrients intact. Plus, the toxic solvent myth. Science says these trace amounts are harmless. Omega-6 fats in seed oils aren't evil, they actually lower bad cholesterol. The real issue? We're eating too many omega-6s and not enough omega-3s. Balance is key. Animal fats like butter and tallow are packed with saturated fats, tasty, but linked to heart disease in excess. Studies show replacing them with plant-based oils could lower the risk of premature death. The verdict? Olive oil steals the crown. Not a seed oil, but packed with heart-healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. What's your favorite cooking fat? Comment below. And don't forget, hit subscribe for more food science breakdowns.